Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen, and this is Yemizkitchen. Today we'll be making Banga Soup. What do we need for my Banga Soup? Like you've seen my real spread here, we need Banga sauce itself, which is in this can. I bought 2 cans of that. That's palm oil sauce. It has been decanted and it's inside. I don't need to mash my Banga nuts for this. It's already in the container. I need onion, crayfish, bouillon powder, protein of your choice. So for my protein, I'm going to be using cow feet, chicken, stockfish, fried fish, and some pepper. So as you can see on the stove, I am trying to boil my chicken. And when my chicken is boiled, I decanted it. I clean out the stock. I only want a little bit of stock and some part of the chicken, which you are seeing on the stove right now. So I've left some chicken with some stock there. Then I'm going to pour my palm kernel sauce, which I did, the 2 of them inside this pot to cook. After cooking a little bit, I pour my pepper sauce, my pepper mixture. You see me blending my pepper mixture, which is bell pepper, onion, habanero pepper, garlic, and that's what's in my pepper sauce, which I have decanter in here. I'm going to let it cook a little bit. I'm putting my iru or dawa or locust beans in this. Then my crayfish powder to your taste. Beef bouillon powder to your taste. You have to look at how much salt you eat and how much you're cooking. Onion powder. A little bit of salt. My crayfish, stockfish. Cow feet, fried fish. Smoked turkey. Then I'm going to let it cook for a little bit. And you can see finally I'm putting my oha leaf since I'm cooking oha soup. So my oha leaf in it. So I'm going to let this cook for a little bit. Then we'll come to it. So my banga soup with oha leaf is completed. Come and chop. It enter your eye. It enter your eye. Oh, come and eat. So my banga soup finally completed. It's delicious and umami-licious. I'll be serving this with a bowl of pounded yam for myself, my husband and I. So what are you going to eat with yours? How do you cook your banga soup? Or do you put oha's leaf in it? So sometimes when I cook my banga soup, I don't put oha and leaf in it. I just cook it like that. But this is how I want it today. So I just wanted to say, if you are watching so far, I want to say thank you for watching and staying with me during this episode. And for the new subscriber, I will say welcome. You have come to a good place, a place of peace where you can learn a lot. And for my old subscriber, I want to say thank you for the love and support. Don't forget, in Yemizkitchen, happiness is a choice. We look at our glass half full. Choose to be happy. Lots of love here. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share, Press the notification bell so you can see my next episode, and help me by doing this. Is help my algorithm. So have a good day. Love you so much. See you in my next episode. Yeah, miss. Mwah.